hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a spicy noodle mukbang for you guys, and today it's gonna be the curry flavor. So I don't know if you can see. I'm so excited because I've never tried this flavor before. I've only tried the 2-time nuclear and just the regular spicy black bag. So I'm excited to try these. This is gonna be something new for me. So I've never tried curry before, but I feel like I've tried something similar to it. So hopefully I like it. Yeah, and it comes with 5 packs, and it just looks so good. So this is the packaging. And I'm also gonna add some rice cakes to it. Yeah, some rice cakes. I bought some. I found this like at a local Asian market here, and I even found some rice cakes. And I've been dying to try rice cakes since like last year. So I got them too, and I'm gonna add them to the noodle and see how it tastes. So guys, I'm going to go cook the noodle with the rice cakes and see how it comes out. So just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I went ahead and made the soup, and here it is, and I made it with the little rice cakes. You see them? Looks bomb. It smells like the Indomie goreng. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it smells like the Indomie one, Indomie soup. Here it is with the rice cakes, so you can see. Not lying. This is the bag that I cooked on right here. And then I also got this little this cute little aromi cereces. I do not know how to pronounce it, but it's so cute. It's like a little cherry water. It's cute. So guys, let's try this. Kind of scared. Try with the rice cake. This one is already cut, like half bitten, because my sister tried it. She wanted to try it. There's still like a lot of steam coming out. The noodles is good. And the rice cakes are good too. What the fuck? Why am I barely trying this? Probably because it took me a long time to find these little rice cakes. Guys, this is good. Oh, the soup is just really hot. It adds a little kick of spiciness, so like it is spicy. It's kind of spicy, maybe like the black bag. It's good. Let me try my drink. I'm just my drink didn't get cold enough, but that's really good. I have ice in this, and I'm gonna put it inside because I didn't have enough time to let it get frozen. Okay, that's hot. It's like burning my lip, my tongue. Maybe if I didn't stop eating it. Oh, shit. Hey, but this drink here is good. It's really good. It's refreshing. Go buy this bag. Go buy it at your local Asian market or Little Tokyo. It's good, guys. It's really good. It's spicy. Spicy. But you know what? I don't taste nothing of curry. Like, or I don't know, maybe this is the way curry tastes like. But all I taste is spiciness. And I just made one bag because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not. I want to go back and buy more of those. What is it? Water? Cherry water? I want to go buy more. I'm cutting the little rice cakes in half because they're kind of big. So I just cut it in half. The rice cakes are really chewy, but they don't taste like anything. Like, they're good. The noodles, whew, girl, it's hot. They weren't lying when they said hot chicken flavor. It's hot, guys. Oh, all the sauce is like at the bottom. I'm like slurping on my drink. It's so cute though, I love it. Oh my god, guys. I'm sorry, but I was supposed to tell you guys about my friend and the incident that happened at Sears, the part 2. But this is too spicy for me to even tell a story. It's hot. So I'm gonna try to find a different food that's more calming. That way I can tell you guys the story because it's hot. My eyes want to get watery. This is all I have left. 2 little rice cakes. Oh, guys, help me. So guys, if you guys clicked on this video, give it a thumbs up because I tried. No, so guys, thanks for watching my little taste test on this curry hot chicken flavor. I'm still like really spiced up. Ooh, if you like spicy stuff, go try it. I feel this burning. Ooh. Those little rice cakes If you like chewy stuff, like, I recommend it. They taste like, they don't taste, but they're like it's like the same, like, what are they called? The bobas, the pearls. So yeah, guys, bye. Thanks for watching.